What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, right now I am using the Ubuntu Linux operating system as a primary operating system of my computer. Now in this video I am going to show you that how you can enable the Ubuntu Pro feature to get all the latest security updates and kernel patches in your Linux update. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, what I am going to do, I am going to open up my terminal. Then I will update all of my packages. So I am going to type here sudo apt update -y and sudo apt upgrade -y, then press enter, then type your root password and press enter, and it should update and upgrade all of your Ubuntu packages. Okay, now here you can see to get more security updates through Ubuntu Pro with ESM apps enabled. To get all of these security updates, we have to enable the Ubuntu Pro feature in our Ubuntu Linux machine. So let me guide you how to do that. For this, open up an app browser, then search here Ubuntu Pro, then go to this first link ubuntu.com/pro, then from here click on get Ubuntu Pro now, then scroll down and here you will get a free personal token to enable Ubuntu Pro in your Linux operating system. By default you can add 5 machines to Ubuntu Linux Pro completely for free. So from here copy this command sudo pro attach and the token number, then get back to your terminal, paste it here, then press enter. And now it's going to enable the Ubuntu Pro ESM apps, and after that it will install all the security update and patches whenever you update all of your Ubuntu Linux packages. So give it some time to add the Ubuntu Pro option in your Linux machine. Here you can see the live patch is enabled and this machine is now using the Ubuntu Pro feature. Now let's install all the security update and patches to our operating system. For this you have to again update and upgrade all of your Ubuntu packages. So again I am going to type the previous command sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade, then press enter, and now it is going to update all the packages and also install all the security updates in your Ubuntu operating system using the Ubuntu Pro feature. Here you can see it installing the ESM packages now. So guys, like this you can enable the Ubuntu Pro feature in your Ubuntu Linux operating system. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.